Oh, the market just opened. Here we go, man. Let's bounce today. What's going on, I Eat Chicken? We're looking for a rip today on both GameStop and AMC. We need to bounce, man. We're already testing the 30s like Bitcoin. We're busting a Bitcoin right now. DKNG, that's DraftKings. Seems like DraftKings is pulling back. 44. There we go. AMC with that wick here at 33.10. But usually we see these type of candles immediately start reversing when that pressure comes in. That candle goes red. I mean, we're barely red on the day as well. We're only down a buck, which I think we should go green today. We're not down as bad during pre-market compared to other days. No, there's that bounce. 33.23. GameStop following along. Today should be the day. Today should be the day we bounce, man. We speculated Thursday, today or Friday. And as of now, we're looking promising. We're about to go green on the day. If we expect the balance, man, I'm talking 40 bucks. Let's go back to 40. For my free content. All right, let's take Twitter. Oh, cryptos are collapsing, really? Let's see. Nice little wick there on AMC. We should see a new high here pushing to 33.50. Come on, just take us to 34 already. Take us to 34. 33.69.64. Looking nice. 31.7 Bitcoin. 87. Yeah, Bitcoin's coming down slightly. Is this the end of Bitcoin? Are we seeing sub 30s again? 31.7 on the futures. I think we have Powell on right now. I think Powell's live right now. Hence why we're having this little pretty nasty drop here on tech. Come down, Tesla. GameStop actually moving. Let's go. 160. Damn, did GameStop really hit 151? Damn. All right, let's set an alert on Tesla. AMC still looking juicy. Yeah, for the last like month or so, crypto hasn't been doing much. It's just been flat. Bitcoin has been at the same level for I don't even know how long. There's AMC right under 34. It should be the day, man. Let's go. Above 34. Nice little rip. On the 4 hour, the EMA's at 36. 36. So if we're gonna have a nasty green day today, I'd expect it at least to push to like 36. High 35s. That'd be a decent little bounce there. I mean, we've been consecutively red for the last couple days. But looking at the overall trend here on the 15 minutes, hopefully this is not just like an honoring of the trend line. You guys see this? Oh, it's just like a downward slope. And every single spike we have, it's like getting rejected on the way down. So that can be one of those situations where it just gets rejected off of 34 and it comes back down to 30. And then, of course, that's horrible because you'd probably see a new low. But as of now, let's keep the faith, baby. Let's hope this is the reversal and we're not just getting rejected at the lower high level. GameStop pulling back. Clover. Apple hitting new highs today. Or was the short yesterday? Oh, it actually hit 150 pre-market. We said a couple days ago we'd wait for it to hit 150 before we short it, but I think now it's just like it's coming down to 148. Oh no, does that mean Powell is speaking? Yeah, look at this. Let's see what he's saying. Let's go on Twitter and get some updates. Tesla should be dropping like a rock right now. AMC is on its own right now. 500K volume on GameStop so far already. Yeah, you can kind of see it here. We're seeing some movement. It's pretty nice. One of my fellow apes, what's up, Ralph? What's up, Mike? Saw the latest video from yesterday. Got to keep it real. No shows, just facts. That's what it is. $34, $36. Keep it going, baby. Go to 35. This also might be some of the shorts covering. Let's pull up Vortex. Because, I mean, look at this candle. We haven't seen this in a while. It's not definitely news induced, right? A robot trader thinks this meme site will outperform Facebook and Walmart. It's probably AMC. Is this that fun, A-Mom? Yeah, it is. So will AMC break 38? First, if we're playing the long term, like the bigger picture, every single time we've been at 4 hour ever since July 1st, it's been coming down. So I'd say before 38, we have to break 36. But as of now, we're getting that first sympathy technical bounce. The oversold bounce is what we've been expecting. So at 35 right now, we're pretty much at yesterday's market close before that nasty sell-off. So we're kind of yesterday's level, yesterday power hour. Not too bad. So we're up 5% today on AMC. That's nice. Let's check Twitter. What is Powell saying?
Over and over. Consumers spend, driving up revenue for companies. They spend it on stock buybacks while complaining about workers demanding higher wages.
I'm talking about
Big
banks.
banks rake in
Oh,
cash. They spend it on executive compensation and dividends and buybacks, and the Fed has usually allowed them to, Mr. Chairman, instead of lending in communities or increasing capital to reduce risk. The Fed should be fighting this trend, protecting.
I don't want to listen through all of this. So I'm pretty sure the Twitter pages would or profiles would keep us updated on any key points that Powell says, like CNBC and whatnot. So let's just wait. That's why we've been seeing some volatility here on Nasdaq. Tesla, Apple both bouncing. Nice. All right, we're having the healthy pullback here on AMC because we're just on the 5 minute. We're looking overextended. EMA's at 3250. I'm pretty sure this is gonna hold like a 3365. SMA, come on, that'd be a decent hold right here at 33. Volatility is kind of back today this morning. I like that. Alrighty, 33. Are you gonna hold? It's pulling back. Greece is trending. Um, nice. We're seeing some demand here on the pullbacks. This candle should go green. Let's go. Come on. GameStop also bouncing off the EMA. Be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Let's go down, Robert. I got two Robs in here. So we're seeing nice bullish wicks on here. Look at this. This candle did actually end up closing green. Impressive. Impressive, impressive. Let's go up 10% today, baby. Come on. Interesting. On the 5 minute, just looking at the 5 minute, when we were at 50, look at the SMA, the yellow line. It never really broke above. It was rejected massively every single time, but as of now, we're above EMA. Is this the bottom? Was that gap closure here at 33 the low? It's gonna be an interesting upcoming weeks for AMC. 35.50 incoming. There was some rejection here at 35 because we have to pull back eventually. There has to be a healthy retracement of supports, in which we've been stressing for the last couple days. Support, support, support. Here she comes. It's coming down. Uh-oh. Man, that Apple short position would have been a great play in hindsight now. When you zoom out, it's just like it's just a little scratch here on the chart, nothing too big yet. There really hasn't been any move under EMA since like May 25th for a whole straight month, just nothing but new highs. Impressive. AMC still holding here, man. I think we could see 36 right now in the second push or third push. This week has been so disappointing here in Miami. Cubans being harassed by a regime. More recoveries from suicide and AMC. Yeah, even have you guys been keeping up with the news in like South Africa as well? And then this is why Greece is trending as well. There's a whole lot of protests. I mean, look at the pictures here on Twitter. It's like the whole world is effed up, man. It's just so sad. We're living in biblical times, man. AMC holding EMA for once. Yes! GameStop as well. 167.96 retesting of the 168. Give us that 169, baby. Oh, I didn't even notice it. GameStop is still kind of red on the day. It has some work to do. We're about to go green. AMC holding 34.40s. Not too bad. Big block selling at 34.50. See, this is the thing about bounces like this today. Like, people are going to start to rethink, oh man, it's not going to come back up to 40, 45 anymore. Should I sell here? Should I take my loss? It's just so psycho. It's like a huge battle with yourself. If that makes any sense. Like, depending on what price you're in at. Because people are making some of the money back today, obviously, with this bounce up being 5%. And could possibly be up even higher. We're about to hit 36 right now. Come on. Why is there resistance here? Is there a wall that I'm not looking at? There is some slight resistance, but I don't think it should be too big of a wall. If anything, we'll probably break that wall later on, midday probably. Sold some, then rebought high. Morning, Colleen. Ortex is showing, or AMC. AMC 15.89% SI. So it's still at 15%. Interesting. Short interest increase as of now is 0.5%. Oh, here comes the next push on AMC. Come on, a retest of the 35.50 resistance. Is it going to break out here or no? Look at the similarity in candles on GameStop and AMC. They're both following each other still. How about like BlackBerry? Not too much. Carve? Uh-oh. That one stock that was pulling back off the $30 mark is having a nice little push here this morning. Two stocks on what, Weeble? Let's see. Well, apparently, I don't know. We're kind of seeing resistance here still, guys, at 35. So this has to pull back eventually. But the fact that we're still kind of holding here near 34, that's pretty impressive. Oh, there's actually one free stock here to claim, which is fairly interesting. Take a look. Because it's not WPF anymore. They got acquired. So let's see. It's not ADT. What is ADT? Oh, wow. They're raising 1 billion via senior secured notes offering. What is my luck right now? That the stock that I get is just getting freaking demolished. What a crappy stock. There is no WPF anymore. They got acquired. Oh, here comes a break. 36, baby, I smell you. Here it comes. 35.89.91. And this is interesting because it's going to be a lot of FOMO as well. You could kind of sense that right now. On the 4 hour, we were talking about the EMA being at 36. That's the first sign of resistance before we get back to what you guys were mentioning there at 38 and $40. $40 was like that first. Let me plot this out really quick. Give you guys an insight on the vision. Was like the first support level here. 38.76 to the exact price point. 38.76, I remember, was like that first initial low we had here before we had the nice $10 bounce to 50 before again coming back down. So that was like the first cliff, I guess you can say, we fell off of. So if this plays out properly, man, we should see 38 again. Uh-oh. We're coming down back to 35. Again, are people still going to be holding here? Are they just going to be saying, you know what? It's time to call it quits. White Monkey, I appreciate that. I appreciate the free ADT stacks a lot. That's what I call Arby's lunch. Bam Investor tweeted AMC hit the vibration level during this bearish July zone of weakness. Model is now bullish again and buying dips aggressively no matter how deep moving forward. Hedgies go wedgies through August if stock continues to track the behavior analysis model. Someone replied, stop tweeting, you say that it hits this vibrant on the zone every day. Oatly short seller says the stock worth less than $10 after accusing company of overstating revenue. Uh-oh. What was the ticker of Oatly? They just had an IPO recently, right? Oats? Oats? OTLY? Yeah, Oatly. This one was just a recent IPO not too long ago. May. We have, of course, the IPO pump and hype, and of course, we're off a new low at 1962. Is anybody holding this? Because I know some of you guys brought this up at the time. Let's see. 35, still holding support. Nice. Where's that EMA on the 5? It's showing 33 bucks. So if we can pull back to like 34, right around here would be pretty decent. Pretty healthy, of course, support. So this support is something we've obviously been missing these last couple days. It would suck so bad if AMC gave up the gains right now and it went red. That would be real. That'd be a big red flag in my book, honestly, guys. That'd be a big red flag. Probably gonna come back down to 33. Well, that'd be kind of still healthy around 34, I would say. But once we start coming down to 33 again, right here, it's just like, uh-oh, we just gave up some of the gains, you know? But right now, it's proving otherwise. Above 35, volume is there. It's looking good. Here comes a retest of 35.50. Come on, baby. And I'm not seeing any massive walls. Watching airlines. Someone tweeted watching airlines. Oh, I pulled up a bank for some reason. I don't know what. AAL green, Delta green, Boeing of course red. I'm waiting for that sub 200 crash on Boeing. Love Southwest 52, Delta green. What's oil at? Anybody know where oil's at right now? Or the 10 year? Let's put the 10 year. 10-year Treasury. 1.31. So yesterday, 10-year was right around 1.36. So it's back down. See, I don't understand this. I have no clue what's going on with the bond market right now. Nasdaq recovering, nice. Does that mean Apple's gonna come back to 150 so we can short it? Possibly. Look at, oh my gosh, look at that rebound on Apple. Come on, hit a new high. There it is, 150 pre-market. Is it gonna break? It's only 2 cents away. Apple's just a beast, man. Tesla's probably just ripping as well. We're so close to getting that alert triggered at 653. AMC still holding 35. Very impressive. That's a good sign. It's gonna make a move though in the next couple minutes. It's gonna make a move. It's either coming up above 35.50 or it's gonna probably come down to 34.50. I rather on this range here under the EMA. It's gonna make a move. I don't think it'll trade sideways. GameStop as well, very impressive, holding here at 167. Nice little start to the market open, but of course there's a whole trading day ahead of us. I can smell that GameStop breakout. Come on, come on. There we go, 168. It's just a little slower. There's that breakout. It did not just hit 169.69 for a split second. Anyway, see that? For the memes, baby. Come on. There was that little breakout we were expecting. Can AMC do the same thing? Come on, AMC. Uh-oh, here it comes. 23, 24, 39. It's coming. There's that move, either up or down. Looks like we're going up still. 35.60. And we just need to hold there. Don't come down. Hoping this day brings some new money. I think a lot of the new money was also on the sidelines. Oh, don't do that to us. This candle's about to go red. It's gonna come down. What a fake out. Look at this. What a fake out. This is the second fake out on AMC in the last couple minutes. We had the fake out here at 34.97 and then at 35.67. Just a little push. A lot of the new money was probably on the sidelines as well. I remember the days when Ralph would say it would only go up. Yeah, it's that spacesuit vibe right now, bro. I'm getting into the spacesuit vibes. VWAP. What is AMC? Oh, I don't have the VWAP, but I'm pretty sure you're mentioning your charts, right? Because this is the EMA, exponential moving average. That's all. Literally, I use the EMA and the SMA. That's pretty much it. I don't even use the SMA too much, honestly. I should be using like the MACD or like the RSI. Does anybody here use the Bollinger Bands? Ah, man. So I guess we're gonna come down or what? What are we doing, AMC? Still trading sideways? Still wants to kind of hold here at 35. Don't think I let Apple off my radar. Ooh, it was rejected at 150. Nice. I wonder if Apollo's still on. Morning, Kevin. Think I might just listen here for an hour at open each day. Yeah, that's all we go live for an hour, that's it. An hour. Set an alert at 60, then shut it down for the day. Yeah, usually I don't like watching the candles like the whole entire morning. I think it's bad for your health. Sitting down that long obviously isn't good for your body either. I think 1 hour is nice. And I just like you said, I keep alerts by the way. So I kind of have an idea of where the range of the stock is at. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Oh, Trey's gonna be with Mr. Charles Payne today again. I'm going in depth with important lessons I've learned over 35 years with Trey's trades, and the AMC apes are being tested big time. He's gonna be on 2 p.m. Fox Business. I don't know why I don't trust anybody on the mainstream media. Even like Mr. Payne. I respect them 100%, but like I don't know, I don't trust them all. Do I just think that? Like I don't know. I think I just have like trust issues. Morning, Keith. 'Cause I don't know. I don't trust them all. Do I just think that? Like I don't know. I think I just have like trust issues. Like I don't know. I think I just have like trust issues. Morning, Keith. 'Cause I don't know. I think I just have like trust issues. Like I don't know. I think I just have like trust issues. 35 again for AMC. It's holding support, man. It is holding support. It's coming back up. Is it gonna fake us out again? I'm just a hater. I'm just a shill. Oh, definitely. I kind of trust him more than Madam Marion, 100%. But I don't know. I just CNN, Fox, whatever, CNBC. I don't know. I just feel like behind off cameras, they're just different people, you know? Come on, GameStop. That's one pretty ugly candle, if you ask me. We need to be trading at 168s. And the fact that it's not moving. Come on. Above 35 again, 35.16 for AMC. It's inching higher, man. I think we'll see 36 again. Come on. Usually AMC on days like this where it has an amazing market open, it's holding support, it just continues to go higher. I like that. It's a poop or pop in 10 minutes. Yeah, it's gonna make a move, but it's still just trading sideways. It kind of faked us out both ways if you think about it. It faked us out at 35.69 and down here at 34.59. So it still hasn't decided of where it wants to go, but my guess is gonna move up. They are media personalities and have a super filtered public image. Exactly. I don't know. My gut just tells me that something isn't. I don't know. Just trust them lightly. Always question everything. I've seen it firsthand too with like artists out here in like Hollywood and LA that I've rented like cars to. Like I've seen it and I'm just like, wow, you know? And I just tend to keep it to myself for the most part. Retest of the highs here. There it is. 36. Usually AMC does this all the time. When there's a nasty move here at open and it's holding supports, it tends to do this. It tends to just rip up and continue to move. That is just amazing. Again, as of now, we have officially, I think we're like a couple cents away, but we're testing the resistance here on the 4 hour. So technically, this is the bounce. This is like that small sympathy first stage bounce. If this isn't to continue to extend and show signs of bullishness, it's gonna go again to that cliff we fell off of, 38 dollars or 37 something, 37.86 was like that cliff, that first low. But continue on, AMC, do your thing. Come on, Apple, go to 150. Go to 150, Apple. Fed Chair Powell just testified as to the impressive strength of the U.S. economy. Yet he also told the Senate that it's too soon to reduce its unprecedented levels of monetary support. If the economy is really so strong, why does it still require so much artificial support? Good question. Oh, Trey tweeted. Trey tweeted. Trey Straits tweeted. Try saying that fast. Trey Straits. Trey Straits tweeted. I feel pretty comfortable saying that 32 bounce is happening right now. Kawabunga, it is. We were just waiting for support, man. Like it was literally just falling knives all over the place. So 31.1 was at support level as of now. Yeah, that is one of the first stages of the bounce, like we said. 38 is next, man. $38 is next. And we have the volume, momentum, and strength today. So take us up. But of course, it needs to hold near these levels, man, because if it starts selling back off, That just proves that it just honored the downtrend. We can't have that happening. Come on, give us 37. Powell said bar for the Fed to begin tapering asset purchases is still a ways off. Hmm. I've just been seeing like these analysts say December of next year, December of 2022 is when they're gonna start. That's for interest rates. I'm so sorry. Interest rates. I don't know the tapering situation, but probably still around the same time next year. And when they mean taper, they don't mean like just completely shutting off the printer, but they're gonna slowly start reducing. Who knows by how much? My guess is probably like 15 billion per taper. Because if there's 8 Fed meetings throughout the year times 15 billion, that's gonna equal 120. That's how much they're buying right now monthly. So that would be my best guess. But who knows? EMA is catching up here on the 5 minutes, so we'll probably meet with the EMA like at 35 bucks, which is not too bad. Not too bad. Spies off the new highs. I don't think we'll see a new high. Oh my gosh. See, look what just happened. I accidentally hit sell. Oh my god, I'm shorting SPY on accident. Oh no. No. Oh, I'm actually wait. Yeah, actually I accidentally shorted 25 shares. So do we just hold this now or what? That was a fat finger mistake right there. Whoops. Luckily it wasn't like that Tesla mistake last time. That was like 150 shares. Probably the best trade you'll make. You know what? It's a sign from the universe that I should start shorting the SPY. You know what? Let's just leave this for giggles. Let's set an alert and let's cover this down here. But just knowing SPY, man, I'll probably get wrecked. It'll probably just keep on going higher. All right, let's just see this. Tesla. Come on, AMC. Come on, baby. It won't even let you short AMC either. Watch, I'll try to short it and it'll say uh like this security is not. Wait, what? No, I actually sold some of my shares. I'm an idiot. Sorry about that. Spy. Oh, Spy's falling. See, I'm telling you, it's a sign. I actually thought I had shorted some of my AMC, but then I forgot I had shares, so it sold my shares. This automatically went to a short position because I had no position at all. So it assumed that I wanted to sell at zero. All right, Spy, come down, baby. Give me my Wendy's meal money. Any GameStop fan here? It's covering, I think. We have a lot of GameStop people here. Alrighty, let's see. Oh my God, AMC's just so beautiful right now. Like, you have to appreciate the support we're seeing right now. It's impressive. I'm gonna start accidentally shorting stocks. No, I'll probably go higher. I'm not gonna lie. Look, it's bouncing already. You can't just you can't you can't fight the Fed. Let's see what Kramer's pumping so we could short. Because you always want to do the opposite. Oh, AMC tweet by Kramer. Memesters, you must keep the stock above $30 or the boomers are going to crack it. Look at the open interest in the July 30 puts. Boomers gunning for you, but you can mistakenly apply the child credit to keep the stock up by borrowing money. Typical non-boomer behavior. Watch out for Neo. Great volume and RSI holding above 60 steadily. Yeah, I regret not buying Neo at $30. Look, I still have an alert here at $28. Great move in hindsight, right? We had hit 55. Neo usually follows Tesla, which is pretty interesting because Tesla's a little choppy. It's been a little choppy lately. Tesla ain't the same stock. Uh-oh, SPY, come down, baby. Let the market collapse. How's the heat map? It's whatevers. Then the Nasdaq futures are still kind of flat. AMC, I'm smelling that new high here. $15 ago, he tweeted the same thing. Huge buying of July 30 AMC puts. Can the meme geniuses keep the floodgates from opening? I can see from my mention column that many want to buy, or many want to stay, have AMC stay above $30, and I hope it does. When he say he hopes it does, he really doesn't. I hope it stays above 30. He's probably one of those people. Saw Black Widow the other day. Does that count? Got free popcorn by proof of stock. Hey, at least we get free popcorn, right? For owning AMC. You get some free popcorn. 30% off for going to an early show. Yeah, I forgot they do that as well. I was taking a look at the times. I'm like, why is it so cheap? And it was like 2 p.m. Can you look at CTXR? I need to dump it. Uh-oh. I see pharma here. I don't know. I mean, what was your first initial thought when you bought this stock? Like, what was your plan? Because I probably wouldn't have touched this. I see the name Pharma. I'm already like sketched out. They probably diluted, right? I mean, the amount of secondary offerings we've been seeing in the market right now is probably one of the biggest red flags. Yeah, the dump was like, I mean, if you got in at like $1, bro, and you see the stock at $4, it's like a sundial. I sold when I saw $4 and it collapsed. And I think sundial is still struggling at $1. It's at 85. Oh, SPY's coming down. AMC is like right under the highs as well. Bring it down, baby. Bring it down. It was supposed to have a major announcement. You guys know how I feel about announcements on any stock. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Same thing was happened with Dogecoin at 70 cents. The whole Saturday Night Live with Elon Musk on May 8th was a massive flop. Or in a second, King. Drop, SPY, drop. Let's go back to AMC. GameStop pulling back. It's getting ahead of itself, man. AMC's not even dropping. If anything, AMC's gonna break out and rip here again. Uh-oh, the market makers are watching the stream. Take us to 38. 38, baby, come on. Nice. 36.97. Can we see 37.99? Come on. There's no wall there. Airlines race to train pilots as travel demand roars back. You should have 49 likes. Beyond Meat launches e-commerce site on JD.com. I'm not a fan of the Beyond Meat products, but I do remember when Beyond Meat was probably one of the most hyped up stocks ever. This stock goes nuts. Neutrogena and Aveeno are trending. Johnson & Johnson said that on Wednesday, yesterday, it is voluntarily recalling all of the lots of 5 Neutrogena and Aveeno brand aerosol sunscreen products from the market after detecting a cancer-causing chemical in some samples. And that is again Johnson & Johnson's Neutrogena and Aveeno aerosol sunscreen products. First the vaccine and now this, Johnson. The stock is coming down. New low. AMC, come on, I smell you 37. I smell 38 on this rip. Come on, above 37 now. Neutrogena trend. I keep seeing this stock, IWM. This is like a BlackRock ETF. See, for AMCA, whatever this stock closes at, I don't know. I can't predict the future. But if it does close at $38, tomorrow is going to be a very, very important day. Tomorrow, if we close green today, above say like 10%, tomorrow we cannot come down. This stock cannot come down tomorrow. It can't. It can't. It can't risk coming down tomorrow. It has to have another bullish day above $40. These 2 days are going to be important. But so far, so good. EMA's catching up, 34.91. I probably think we'd see a pullback around this zone right here, this territory, like 35 range to 35.50 range. That'd be my little pullback zone. Let's move this, remove this. Trying to manifest some, yeah, trying to manifest it. Spy's probably ripping. I'm getting clapped. Nah, it's not. It's not coming down yet. Powell, please say something stupid. Hashtag Tucker is killing us is trending. AMC, give us 38. You're only $1 away. Come on. $37, above 37 again. 38. We want 38, baby. AMC's up 10.5% today. Can you think we were at 31 pre-market and now we're at 36? There it is. Just one last extension. Come on. So there's a couple people here playing CTXR, right? Come on, guys. You guys need to stick to your trading plans, man. If you buy stock here and you say you're gonna sell here, do it. Because then you have regret, and regret sucks. Oh my gosh, it's breaking. It's happening. We're about to go to the cliff zone at $38. We're at 37.17. And we still have yet to have a pretty sizable healthy pullback on the 5 minute. Come on. I'm surprised AMC is not trending on Twitter. Let's check Ortex. The short interest change dropped from 0.5% to 0.39%. I forgot the rocket emoji existed. Come on, GameStop. Let's take a look at Virgin Galactic. I forgot about that. How we doing? See, this is what struggling looks like. It tries to bounce, but it keeps getting sold off. This is what you don't want. Giving up your gains and going red on the day. Tesla dropping too. AMC still holding in there. Nice. 37.19.11. I'm still anticipating a pullback, a healthy pullback. I haven't seen that yet. Hmm. If there's a level I'd like to see AMC close above, is definitely today, $38. Hopefully midday when volume kind of slows down a bit, this doesn't pull back aggressively. Resistance at AMC's bump up from yesterday. Yeah, they were kind of close to where we fell off at right around $38, right around here. So that is the first stage of a reversal. But like I said, if we're going to be closing near the highs here, tomorrow it just can't come down. Because that just proved that this was just a technical bounce. There wasn't really a reversal. SPY is coming down or what? Burn down that house, baby. Let's put it right here at 435. We will pull back once we hit 40, I think. Those are the two levels, 38 and 40. Definitely 38 and 40. Investors aren't selling Bitcoin. They are simply on holiday. Hmm. I don't know, man. That's not what the price is selling me. Bitcoin's at 31.8. How about the Dogecoin? 18. Damn, SPY's really pulling back or what? Nasdaq? I'll take the accidental. Let's buy back. The accidental short position has been closed as a success. AMC still holding at 37. It closed at or near $38, is right at the top of the downward trend line. Exactly. Exactly. We're still kind of honoring that downtrend. That's my only concern here, the downtrend. If we close green, man, tomorrow has to be another green day. Has to, has to. Or who knows? Today we might even break 40. I don't know. Speaking of the Doge, look who we manifested. We manifested William into the chat. The universe listened to us. We're just talking about Dogecoin right now, William. Oh man. Maybe one day we'll have Kramer in here somehow. All right, is this the pullback? Is this the pullback on AMC? Is this the healthy pullback we've been waiting for? Down to 36. Usually pullbacks like this, you see like an aggressive red candle. Like it can get ugly. But I don't know, the dips have been being bought on AMC. We shouldn't see too much of a pullback. 36.50 still. Wait for it to pull back, wait for it to settle. 36.30. 5 EMAs at 35.40. So give it a couple minutes. Because we've been above EMA technically for since market open. We haven't necessarily traded under EMA for too long. GameStop also reacting to this and pulling back. Kramer will manifest itself as Robert B. Boker or Brown? Still pulling back, 36.28. How much lower are we going to go? 25. And again, this is anticipated. This isn't too much of a surprise. We've been waiting for a pullback. Probably drop to 36 before we bounce. 36.12, 36.10.09. It's kind of bouncing here. Let's see. Let's see it. Oh, we should have just held on to this. Is it going to bounce off of 435? I mean, I wouldn't want to short the index right now, honestly. That was just a mistake. So for right now, AMC's holding 36. Not bad. Not bad. Oh 07, 05. Is it just gonna jinx? Am I gonna jinx myself and it's gonna crack 36? Oh 08. It's acting fragile right now. We need to see a bounce back to 36.30s. I think it might crack here. No, it's a massive battle right here at support. The battle of 36.01. The battle of 36.01. Is it gonna hold 36? Fidelity buy to sell ratio on GME is currently 7 buys to 1 sell. Oh 07, 08. Do you guys think it'll hold 36? Or are we pulling back to 35? Fourteen, 13. This is the Ortex data, by the way, for AMC. Shares borrowed 681K, return shares 282K. Up, we're at 36. There's a wall of support there. Is it going to hold? It's slightly cracked and now it's bouncing back up. So that proves to me and you that there is people buying here compared to other days where it just would flush under. Nice. All 36, please. So far, so good. Come down, baby. Come down, Tessa. I'm waiting for you down here. I've been waiting, man. Look at the ugliness. How do you even trade this pattern? It's just so it's inconsistent and choppy. Hmm. All right, those are going to be the key levels, guys. Powell says he doesn't think there is an issue with funding deficits in the near term. It's never a problem until it really is. Powell also says that we are not on a sustainable debt path. We need to get back to that. It just sounds so stupid. How is it not? How are you surprised it's not sustainable when you're buying 120 billion of assets a month? Back to 36. Now you have to ask yourself, is 37.50 the high of the day? Okay, look, we're still pulling back. Our two lines here indicate where I think is a pretty decent, healthy support level, but of course I can't predict the future, and I can't have the stock do what I want it to do. But right now, that prediction is kind of manifesting itself. It's coming down to 35.44. If that's the case and it bounces off of there, don't panic. It still looks healthy and bullish. GameStop, on the other hand, is under EMA, which is not necessarily a good sign. But of course, it's a different type of volatility we're seeing here. We're not obviously we can't compare the volume and volatility with AMC and GameStop. Very, very different two different numbers, right? Demand is different. But for now, I'd say we're off to a very, very great start. Like I said earlier, it'd be horrible if this just gave up the gains, went red, for some reason came back down to 33. I don't know. For now, if it can bounce off of 35.40, that's still healthy. This is the first stage of the technical rebound we've been anticipating. It stopped falling at 31, which was the gap closure on June 2nd. Tomorrow, we must close green if we're going to be closing at above 35. If we close above 35 today, Friday tomorrow has to be a green day, or else this is just going to look like this was just a sympathy bounce and it got rejected at the resistance and it's going to come back down. So that's the way I'm looking at it right now, just based off of the chart patterns we've been seeing, the sell-offs, the aggressiveness, all of that. But with that being said, Powell did not say everyone should funnel their 401k into Dogecoin. Oh man. Powell says inflation expectations aren't at a troubling level. Oops, the market doesn't believe it. Oh, the market's coming down. I guess we should have held onto our SPY short. The universe gave me a position and I fumbled it. An opportunity. Oh, we have Mr. Bezos flying next Tuesday as well. Blue Origin reveals an 18-year-old physics student will fly with Jeff Bezos. That's so amazing. Imagine being 18 years old, a physics student, and you're flying to space with Mr. Bezos. With that being said, if you guys enjoyed this, make sure you slap a like on the video. We go live every single day, Monday through Friday, market open. We will be live tomorrow. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully you guys have an amazing rest.